Alright, hi guys, it's been a while. Today I'm just going to do some quick lesson on, let me see, finding equation or formula from a table of values. You know, one of those ones you just don't know whether it's okay or not. So thanks to my friend, she asked me all this, so I thought I might just give her a lesson. So, for example, I'll just write a title, will be a good start. Finding a, say, equation or formula, I should say formula, from a table of values. Okay, so for example, if I had table values of something like this, so that's number 1. So this is like sort of really quick one. So let's say x and y. I'm just gonna use x and y. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I had something like 1, I don't know, 3, 5. Well, I do know because I planned this lesson. Otherwise, I won't get this correctly. So anyway, so this is my first table, and I see this. Okay, so what do I need to do really? I will focus on the finding a pattern here. Okay, so I'm going from first y value. So important thing is the y value. I'm not gonna look at the x value because it's just gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's not much a pattern there. So 1, 2, 3. So what's that one? It's going to be plus 2. So it's gone up by 2. So it's gone up by 2. Excellent. Excellent. That's what we want. We just want just consistency here. So then we will get the formula. Okay. So what this is actually saying is y equals 2x plus or minus something. So it's going up by 2. So it's sort of like it's doubling up. Okay, so that's okay. And then what you got to do, so that was my first step. So next step is how am I going to find the constant that goes into here? Well, I'm just going to use the first x value and y value. Okay, just try it out. So I'm going to put, I've got to get 1, 2 times 1 plus minus whatever that I will get is 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. 2, well, can't do plus, has to be less. So 2 minus what will give 1? Obviously 1. So roughly I've got some idea that it's 2x minus 1. Okay, so then I need to check. Okay, checking is very important in maths. Okay, not solving. Solving is good, but checking is also important. So if I put second value into x, so 2 times 2 is 4. 4 take away 1 is 3. Yes, my y value is 3. Excellent. Let me see again. 3, if I put 3 there, so 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. Excellent. So I don't really need to do the next one. So my equation, the formula is, it's confirmed, 2x minus 1. Excellent. So that's what I would do. Okay, so that was okay. And you go say, Miss, that's easy one. Yeah, all right, it's easy one. I get it. So we'll go to the little bit harder one. No, not really that hard, but say second one, I will go I just like to do 4. So x, y, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll go 4.5, 6, 7.5, 10. Okay, so it's not that hard, but it's a little bit different variety. So 4.5, 6, 6. Okay, don't panic. It's just the same. You just have to find the pattern. Okay, I can say it's easy, but it's not really. I know what you're talking about. So it's not that easy. I'm just saying it. So from 4.5 to 6, it's gone up by what? 1.5. Yes. If you didn't know why it was 1.5, 6 take away 4.5. That'd be 1.5. 7.5 take away 6. 1.5 plus 1.5. Okay. Phew. It means we will get formula because it's irregularly going up. So that means roughly y equals 1.5 x plus or minus whatever. Okay, so I've got that halfway there now. So I'm going to put this x value equals 1 in here, and I have to find 4.5. So 4.5, 1.5, 1 times plus minus whatever. So 1.5, it has to be plus, isn't it, to get the 4.5. So we're going to get rid of the minus there. So it has to be plus. So 1.5 plus what number will be 4.5? It'll be 3, wouldn't it? So my equation will be 1.5 x plus 3. But again, we have to check, make sure the value, second value, third value, fourth value is all happy with this formula. So when you put 2 in there, double of 1.5 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Yep. And same thing happens with the 3 and 4. Excellent. So that's okay. So that's really good. That's what we got. Now, you might say, okay, miss, so that was okay. What about a little bit harder? Okay, you're challenging me right now. So let's have a look. Number 3. So I've got something for you. I prepared, obviously. So I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. That was my x, my y. Okay, something like this. Okay, here we go. That's interesting. So I'll go, my first step is always finding a pattern. So that 3 to 6 is, plus 3, 6 to 5, 5, 7. Whoa, what's happening here? I didn't like that. We can't have pattern here, but I can see some pattern here. It's going up by odd numbers. That's okay. So I'm going to the second. I'm determined to find the pattern here. So 3 to 5, 5 to 7. Excellent. I've got a pattern here. So first, these sort of, if it was a pattern, it will give you a coefficient of x. Now, because we have to go to the second step to find the pattern, this will be the power. Okay, so power of 2. So my equation will start with something like, okay, so that's the square power. Okay, so after that, it's all the same. So I'm going to put these first values of x and y into here to find my constant. So I will expect 3 when I put 1. 1 squared is 1. So I have to have a plus, isn't it, to get to, so it'd be 2. So roughly I'm looking at y equals x squared plus 2. But again, I have to check, make sure this equation or formula is happy with all these values. So when I put 2 here, that's become 4. 4 plus 2 is 6, which is what I'm expecting, y value. Now when I put 3 here, that's 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. Okay, so it's not too bad. So my equation is that. Excellent, excellent. Now what will happen now? All right, one more, because you challenged me just now. That wasn't too hard. Number 4. Okay, so what will happen? What will happen if I have something like this? 1, 2, 3, 4, x and y. So if I have something like 2, 11, 26, 47. All right, so that doesn't look very friendly to me. So 2 to 11 gone up by 9, 11 to 26, 15, 26 to 47, 21. Okay, so obviously we didn't really find the pattern here, but that's okay. We'll go to the next. Not a problem. 6. Yay, there you go. That's a 6. So I got the pattern in a second round, which means it's something squared, isn't it? But this time, it's a 6. It's going up by 6. So 2 is our base, really, basic rule for the square. So 2 times what will give us 6? 3. So therefore, this tells me it's a 3x squared. So this becomes my coefficient of x squared. Okay, so therefore, my half formula will be 3x squared plus minus whatever that is. So I'll put that in. 1 here, so it's a 3 times 1. Something is 2, so it has to be minus, isn't it? Because it's 2, so, and it's already 3. So if I do 1, so it'd be 3 times 1 square, which is 3, take away 1 is 2, what I've got there. But again, we need to check. So I'm going to check this. So if I put 2 in here, it'll be 4. So 3 times 4 is 12. 12 take away 1 is 11. Excellent. So my answer is 3x squared minus 1. Hope this helped. Okay, so good luck and enjoy your math. See ya.